what are the duties of welding inspector, Mr. Robert?
Sir, I am here.
Hello?
To weld the inspector according to WPS.
Yes, welding inspector.
Sorry?
The duty of welding inspector is to follow WPS. What is the duty of welding inspector? The main duty of welding inspector is to follow WPS. Okay.
According to WPS, observe, compare, record, document control like this.
Right. So welding inspector responsibility is to follow WPS. Okay. And to ensure all welding related activities are happening as per WPS. Okay. So how a welding inspector ensures that all the activities are happening as per WPS? A welding inspector, the first thing that a welding inspector do is welding inspector observes. Welding inspector will see, okay, what is going on here, what is going on there, what is going on there. He will observe everything. He or she will observe everything, whatever is going on. Okay. So whatever he's observing, after observing, he will note it down. So second part is record. Okay. So first is observe, second is record, and then third one is compare. Compare with what? Compare with
WPS.
yes. Compare with WPS. Compare with standards. Compare with drawings. Okay. So these are the three things that a welding inspector must do: observe, record, and compare. A quality weld, if quality weld is not coming, who is responsible?
Welder.
If quality weld is not happening, who is responsible? This is the question. Option
Welder.
is
Welder and welding inspector.
welding inspector.
It's a welding inspector. Welding inspector.
Second,
Welder.
material supplier. Third is welder. Fourth is 1 and 3. And fifth is none of the above. What is the answer?
Welding inspector.
Any other answer?
Sir, welder and welder inspector.
Any other answer?
So what is the welding?
I would say like none of the above, maybe.
Why so?
Because it's can be like sometimes it will be the problem with the WPS itself, like if it's the quality of the weld, it's not entirely like one person is responsible. It can be the procedure can be wrong, it can be the WPS can be wrong.
Perfect. What is your name?
Prabhakar?
Prabhakar, answer is perfectly fine. So quality weld is not responsibility of welder or welding inspector. So it is not your job to maintain quality. Your job is only to follow WPS. Okay? So even if quality is good, quality is bad, it is not your concern. Your concern is to follow whatever is given in the WPS. Understand this, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So its answer is none of the above. Now another question.